Holy Spirit is wise. He makes you, though you are filled with the Holy Spirit, but the food of your spirit to be placed in other people. Other gifts of the Spirit, they be able to edify you. It is by purpose for Holy Spirit to take the food of that one, to place in the other one, and take the other one and place in the other one. That's why Jesus said, we must forgive one another. We must forgive one another. Though you do not like him, you might be decided to say you won't listen to him. You must know Jesus